Hello everyone, welcome to Sara Codes. In this video, we are going to see about a side hustle. Maximum of us are doing a 9 to 5 job. Is the salary sufficient and satisfied? If the answer is no, then it's a great choice to start a side hustle. Indeed, it will be very helpful. If you are looking for an additional income, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch until the end. Side hustle provides you an additional income, but it is not a fixed amount, but still it adds some extra money into your wallet. Well, for example, consider a person working as a teacher 9 to 5. At the same time, she is taking a tuition 6 to 8. Here, teaching tuition is a side hustle which provides a fixed income. Meanwhile, consider the same person is running an online shop. It is also a side hustle, but here it doesn't provide a fixed income. We do have a lot of options for side hustling. For example, content writing, blogging, vlogging, reselling, so on and so far. We are going to see about reselling. So, what's reselling? Purchasing a product from manufacturer or a producer and selling it back to the customer is called as reselling, which we resell the products. Resellers often sell the goods to the end customer. Again, we have plenty of options for online reselling. For example, 101, Glowroad, Meesho. Let's see about Meesho. Meesho is having a direct tie-up with many manufacturers and sellers. So, those products are listed. How fine? How it works? We can earn by setting up margin amount. For example, let's say if a product is listed for 20 rupees at Meesho and if you decided to sell it for 30 rupees, then the profit of 10 rupee will be your margin amount. All set. If you ask me, hey hello, who to sell? Who will buy? Well, you can sell your products to your neighbor and relative via WhatsApp. If you think, hey, are you kidding? This is not going to work. Don't worry. I will be sharing some tips with you. Tip number 1. Choose your business name and create pages on social platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, where you can share your products over there. Tip number 2. Make sure the product you share is highly rated on Meesho. In case if the product you sell is not fine, then the customer won't make any purchase with you anymore. So share the products which is highly rated and having a good customer images which is trusted. Tip number 3. Initially set low margin as possible. Once your page get more followers, then gradually increase your margin amount. Moving to the next part. Let's say if a customer makes a purchase with you, how will you ship now? First, get the customer's contact number and shipping details. After that, you can easily order it on the Meesho's order page. To the next part, which is mode of payment, you can easily pay online or else COD is available. Online process is very simple. As you know, you can collect amount directly from your customer from any online portal such as Google Pay. The second thing is COD. On doing a COD, our shipment partner will collect the money directly from your customer and they will transfer your margin amount directly to your bank account. While creating a Meesho account itself, it will ask your bank details for payment. Now you're ready to go. All set. Now you're ready to go. But the main ingredient, consistency and patience. It may take 1 or 2 months to reach, but keep your social page up to date. Consistency is the key and never give up. The advantage of Meesho is you can create your very own icon with Meesho, which will be reflected on your each and every post you post. Last and final tip. Try ordering on Meesho for your own and enjoy. It will be fun. Hereafter on my channel, I'll be uploading finance, online job and side hustle related videos. If you are interested in these things, please make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.